We are pulling up. Where are we pulling up, Brittany?
Cabana Bay. It says it right there.
Cabana. Oh, well, I was on your face, not the sign. Cabana Bay for Brittany's birthday celebration weekend.
Yay!
We are staying here for a couple days. We've got a Volcano Bay view room, and we're really excited. We're gonna go to Volcano Bay tomorrow, and we're gonna show you the awesome room that we got, if there's any parking. We were checking in, and Brittany got her birthday pin. Yeah. All right, we are all checked in. We just have to wait for the room now. So we're gonna explore a little bit and try to get some lunch.
Our refillable mugs.
We do. It is, I think, $10 a day for one day, $15 for 3 days, or $18 for your entire length of stay. So if you're here for like a week, get the entire stay because it's not that bad. And if you come back, you can bring the cup, and it's $3 off whichever one you want the next time.
You also get a pass holder discount.
And you get a pass holder discount. And because it was Brittany's birthday, they gave us a free meal voucher. So we're gonna use that to go get some lunch, free birthday lunch.
Yay!
Yeah. So first we're gonna go look at the pool. The pool little restaurant thing to see if we can get some need there. We may go into the actual resort itself and eat somewhere inside. One of our favorite things about this resort is the fact that the pool at this resort has an amazing lazy river. I think that's where we'll be spending a lot of our time while we're here.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, and it's right there on the other side of that wall. And we'll show you more of that later. And then the room that we got is a great room, and you'll see why it's so great later. It's amazing. All right, so this is the Bayliner Diner. This is their main food service area. We'll show it later, but if you go down there, to the left there, that's where you can get the food. They have a bunch of different food options. They have Italian food, they have sandwiches, burgers, salads, pre-made stuff. This is like the main area. And if you have these cups, they have drink stations in here, like Coke Freestyle machines that you can fill them up. You can also fill them up with ices, with regular pop, as Brittany would call it, and then also hot cocoa and coffee. But we're gonna go over here and around the corner to the Galaxy Bowl to see if we can get some lunch, because they have a restaurant in there. And right up here is the Galaxy Bowl, where you can go actual bowling and get some food. So I hope there's nobody here. I hope they're serving. Okay, so the Galaxy Bowl isn't open yet, apparently. I don't know when they open. They don't have a sign, their hours posted on there. But we came up with a brilliant idea, because we can. We're just gonna walk over to Volcano Bay and get lunch at Volcano Bay. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be fun, and kind of show you guys the walkover from Cabana Bay to Volcano Bay, because they're right next door to each other. Okay, so we're heading over to Volcano Bay now. That right there is the Bayside Tower. That's the room that we're hoping that we're gonna get. We're still waiting for them to have a room ready. And then if you go over this way, over here is the entrance to Volcano Bay that you can get to if you are a resort guest. And we are! So we're gonna go see what this is like and how you get over there. Because we're gonna be doing this tomorrow too, when we spend the day at Volcano Bay. Resort guest entrance. All right, we are right past security, which is right at the entrance there. And if I'm not mistaken, you just go around this walkway, this little path, yeah, and then you go to Volcano Bay. That is crazy easy. That is incredible.
That's amazing.
I know. Yep, and then right over here to the right is the Volcano Bay entrance. Well, what do you know? Wow, that's much easier than the traditional way. Alright, we're at Volcano Bay. You know what? Just for kicks and giggles, real quick, I'm just gonna go see what wait times are. Let's go get food. Let's go get food first. Okay, that's smarter. Okay. We're right here. That's where the food is. Right over there. So we're at our table. So how it works for the mobile ordering here, you place your order, and then you go to the table, and you either scan this QR code, or you type in the number, and they bring it out to your table. We're going to see if it's possible for us just to take it to the room, because our room is ready. All right, so our food's here. Brittany just got a regular bacon cheeseburger and fries. And then I got the Cahola burger, which comes with like a slaw, like a spicy slaw, jalapenos on the bottom, and then onion crispies on top, and fries. It's delicious. I'm so excited to eat this food. And then we're gonna go back to our hotel room because it's ready. All right, Brittany, what was your opinion on the whatever restaurant we're at, Kahlua Burger, whatever it is?
So the fries were good as always. The burger was bland, but I mean it was well cooked. Like I mean it wasn't dry, and I could definitely tell it wasn't like sitting there forever.
Yeah.
So it was fresh. That was good. It was just a little bit bland.
And I had the Kahlua Burger. It was okay. The first time I had it, when we came here the first time, it was really good, and this time it was just okay. So I don't know, maybe this is an off time. So I think our room is ready, so we're gonna go check into the room now. All right, so we are at the room now. Here it is right there. And once I find my room key, we're gonna go inside. All right, we are inside now. There's the lovely Brittany birthday girl in our room. So the reason why this room is so cool is it's a Volcano Bay view room, which means outside our window, we can see Volcano Bay. There's one of the rides there. You can see people going down it.
I mean, yeah, you can hear them screaming. You can basically see their faces. Here they go.
Yeah, here they come. See? Whee! Woo! So we recommend if you're able to get a Volcano Bay view room, try to request Bayside. The Bayside views are much better than Beachside, and this isn't a terrible view. We've just been spoiled with the Bayside views.
And we did request Bayside, but they're full this weekend. Like the resort is completely sold out.
Yeah.
So they just didn't have anywhere to put us.
These are the beds. These are king size beds or queens?
No, they're queens.
2 queen size beds, and I love the decor in here and the style. It's very like retro 1950s style, and it's even like the alarm clock is like a retro style alarm clock too.
When I was a kid, it was my mom's old alarm clock.
I think I did too, but it wasn't your mom's old alarm clock. Here's
That would be creepy.
dressers with the TV, and then go over this way. You have a closet. Also, one thing to note, there's an all on and all off power switch that turns on all the lights.
Well, basically it's like whatever, it doesn't turn everything on, it's just whatever was left on comes on. And so when you leave, you just have to hit one button. You don't have to turn off all of the different lights. If you have like 3 lights on, you just hit one button when you leave, which is really nice.
That's really nice. It's a pretty cool bathroom. Hi, that's me. They have the old school like Zest.
I love Zest.
I do too. And then this is one of my favorite parts, is I really love this shower. It's like a standing shower, and it's really roomy. There's a lot of room in the shower, so that way you can have as much space as you want. But you have the little control here and the shower head behind you. And since it's next to Volcano Bay, you have a little clothesline to dry your swimwear. So yeah, that's the room. So, how was it? How does it feel?
Not bad.
All right, well now I gotta do it.
Oh, your hair.
What about my hair? I gotta say, this is a comfy bed. Over here is the second pool. This is like the main big pool. We like the one with the lazy river. This one has a water slide. We're gonna go down there and get a little bit of a closer look. Here's the other pool. There's a water slide. It's more of like a chill pool. All right, so what we did for dinner, because we had the meal vouchers, because it's Brittany's birthday, we went to the Galaxy Bowl, which is the bowling alley that we showed you earlier. They actually have a little restaurant in there that you can order food at. So we each got a steak sandwich, and we're going to try it out here as we sit by the pool.
So just so you know, the only place at Cabana Bay, the only restaurant at Cabana Bay that makes food to order is the Galaxy Bowl. Everything else, it's just kind of like made in bulk and sits there until someone buys it. And I've gotten sick a couple of times at Universal because of that, so I just don't trust it. Most people don't. I just am a little sensitive, so I'm really excited that we found a place that will make it to order.
Yeah, and the steak sandwich sounds delicious. So, we're gonna enjoy it. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
All right, so this is my steak sandwich. It also comes, it's thinly sliced, well, thinly sliced steak, arugula, and caramelized onions, as well as, it comes with Swiss cheese, but I asked for cheddar instead.
They also even put towelettes in here, so you did not have to run upstairs to get our hand sanitizer that we left in the room, but we didn't open the box.
Yes, we didn't open the box.
So we went to get all of these things.
Yeah, and spent an extra like 7 minutes before we could have been eating. Brittany got the same thing, but she just got it with meat and cheese. And it comes with fries. The only other side you can get is coleslaw. So, we're gonna eat this food. They're crinkle cut fries, which aren't my favorite kind of fries, but with some arugula on it. Not bad tasting. I don't even know how much the price is because we got it for free. That's a big sandwich.
I mean, big chunks of steak too.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
It's really good? All right, I'm excited to eat mine. And we have 1,000 packets of ketchup. And also the package came with 2 drinks. We got some lemonade and fruit punch. And then we have our Cabana Bay cups to fill up later. I'm excited to have dinner by the pool. All right, this is weird to do one-handed here. Well, I'm gonna get on the other side. Okay, so we got our pool floaties blown up. And we're gonna go into, I think, our favorite thing at Cabana Bay, the lazy river.
It's just so cold.
It's not cold.
It's freezing. It's freezing. It's so windy and so cold.
But,
and I need a hoodie and some sweatpants.
Hoodie and some sweatpants. You said it's freezing.
Yes.
Here, hold this for a second. So right before you get to the entrance of the lazy river, right here, this is where you can buy the pool floaties. And as you can tell, they got, you know, tiny ones for kids for $6 and $3 and $4, $7.25, $7.50, and then $15 and $12.50. The ones that we have aren't on there anymore, so we got the exclusive ones. But if you bring your own, or if you buy them and come back, over on the side here, right there, you can actually fill them up yourselves, which is what I did.
You do also get a Passover discount here.
And you do. Brittany's cold. I'm not gonna lie. The water is really cold, actually. Oh, you're floating away. Hold on. Oh, the water is a little chilly.
Hey, it's not supposed to be this. Don't get me in any of the extra water.
I won't. I'll definitely be guarding you as best I can. And this is basically what we do. We just float along the river, and it's thankfully not very busy. The pool is slammed, but it doesn't look like anybody's in the lazy river. And it's a real chill river, and yeah, and just go around the little pool area, and it's really nice. And again, it's like our favorite thing to do here. It's a lot of fun, right, Brittany? Are you cold? You're freezing, aren't you? Okay. I'm gonna try to not let her die. Just floating down the river. I gotta protect you from hazards. Like that waterfall.
You don't have to protect me as much tomorrow, but I don't want to wash my hair tonight.
Oh, okay. So tomorrow you can get all kinds of wet if you want.
Well, not everything. I still don't want the waterfalls, but
you like the waterfall?
Wash my hair tonight.
Oh, okay. See, I'm going to wash my hair tonight, but this is nice. I think this might be my favorite lazy river.
It's my favorite lazy river.
And that's saying something because we've been to a couple of lazy rivers now.
Steven!
It's no, I got you.
I'm getting hurt.
You're fine. You're fine. Look, there's 2 that we're not even going to get close to now. What'd you say?
Nothing.
You're complaining about what? By the way, look how beautiful it looks out here. I'm going to spin real quick so you can see everything.
Spin?
our favorite. I'm gonna get past the waterfall before I talk. Our favorite part about this lazy river is like it at nighttime. It feels great.
It was so eloquent the way that you said that, Steven.
What?
It was so eloquent the way that you said that. Our favorite thing about this lazy river is it at nighttime.
Sorry, there was a guy trying to be cool and go upstream, so I was blocking his path on purpose.
Look at all the lights, all the buildings lit up.
It is very pretty. Look at that. That's the Americana.
Very relaxing.
That's the Continental. Right there, that's our place. That's the beach line, or beach side. And then you can't see it, but over there is the bay side.
There's a volcano. There's the volcano.
Oh, there's a volcano. At Volcano Bay. Can you see it? It's right there. It's so pretty.
I think I'm gonna
Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry. She got away from me.
Okay, ready?
That was my ankle.
I'm sorry. I was saving your life.
You were saving my life?
Yeah.
It hurts.
I'm sorry.
It still hurts.
I didn't mean to hurt. Ah, that's cold. Stop it. If I can't splash you.
You deserve it.
It was an accident. Well, no, it was an accident. I intentionally grabbed your ankle. It was an accident to hurt you. There's a guy just staring down from a hallway over there, and I'm a little creeped out.
Well, I mean, we can't be that creeped out. We were staring at people at Volcano Bay for like 30 minutes today.
That's true. We were just people watching. Look, there's a guy right there. I don't know if you can see him. He's just... Oh, he's gone. He's coming after us now. Oh, no.
Maybe you're having hallucinations.
I might...
Hulu right? Do you have schizophrenia?
I might be experiencing... visual and auditory hallucinations.
Ads for schizophrenia.
Yeah, because we work in the mental health industry.
Yeah.
It's like
we get schizophrenia, we get depression, and we were getting
ads in Spanish for a while.
else. Oh yeah, that's because our friend who's Puerto Rican stayed and watched our dog. So after she watched our dog, we had a bunch of Spanish ads.
Yeah.
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 I don't know. Hulu knows too much about our life.
That's true. All we want to do is watch The Bachelor in Paradise, and all we get is ads for depression and liquor. And like, we're not depressed. We're not schizophrenic, and we don't drink.
We don't drink at all.
So why are we getting these ads, Hulu? You're wasting your money. Give me ads for comic books or for Marvel
Disney.
movies or Disney. You're owned by Disney. Give us Disney ads. It's nice. Look how nice the water is. So just to give everybody an idea, this is what the view looks like at night. It is amazing. You also have fun spot over there, but this is the reason why we love this room. Although we wish it could be a little bit closer to the volcano, it still looks fantastic.
The water in the lazy river is really pretty though.
Yeah.
I am really enjoying that view because it's a nice blue.
Yes, I agree 100%.
The volcano's so pretty.
It's a very pretty volcano. And I didn't realize how long the lazy river is. It goes over like half the park. That's crazy. So we're very excited for tomorrow to go there. It's going to be a great time. Even though you can't see us, we just want to say thank you for hanging out with us. We are Steak and Potatoes.
And we're living our happily ever after.
See you guys for Volcano Bay.